With the next phase of flag-off and commissioning of projects in River State just a matter of days away, Governor NYESOM Wike is out to inspect some of the ongoing projects lined up by his administration for commissioning.
Last time when we were here, Rumola Flyover, GRA, Bomidi Road and the Tombi Extension, we were told that by the end of September they would have handed over these 4 projects to us. But as part of our routine job, we still make sure that we have to go around and to see the extent of work, whether that will rhyme with our plans for the commissioning of the projects. From what we have seen, we can still state the fact that by the end of the month that the entire job will be completed.
When completed, the projects, especially the flyovers and dualized roads, will not only improve the flow of traffic, but also help beautify the city. But Governor NYESOM Wike is not happy with the activities of street hawkers and other persons defacing the projects and the city.
We can't allow hawkers to just throw the people, the water, bottles, people drink and dump it like that. And that messes the entire environment. So I will not be party to that. So I'm compelled them on Monday to set up a task force that will never allow hawkers on these major projects that will beautify Port Harcourt, that have changed the landscape of Port Harcourt. It's unfortunate that none I can do. I mean, everybody has to bear with us. That is our job to keep the place clean.
The River State Governor also speaks on the projects to be flagged off and commissioned by his administration in the coming days.
It's not only going to be infrastructure like roads, it's also going to be involve health, it's going to involve schools, and it's going to involve other humanitarian areas. So the Executive Council will meet and then decide how many number of the projects we are going to commission, like the Chokocho-Ibodo area in the Che, we believe in Oyibo Road. So these are very key projects, we think that, and then we're also going to lay foundation for our judicial institute that will train our magistrates and our judges, and also lay foundation for the liaison office for the Federal Judicial Service Commission, which they approved, that should be cited for South-South in Port Harcourt.